Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is not something I normally do, but this little company wanted to send me this little low price chainsaw. It's quite a little chainsaw. It's got a short blade and short chain. Comes with an extra longer blade and chain. And it looks like this one's probably about 4 inches, and this one here is probably about 6 inches. And it comes with an extra chain to go on this long bar. Comes with a little tool to tighten the chain, and then a screwdriver to adjust the chain. It also comes with 2 batteries. It comes with this one here. I have one of them back here charging right now. So it comes with a little wall charger. You just plug it in. The light on the wall charger is red, and then whenever it's full charge, it turns green. I'm charging it up so you can take it out and use it. It does come with a pair of safety glasses, which is good, and a pair of gloves. Now, I don't know that these gloves are much, but especially for my big hands, probably a little small. We shall see. It does come with a manual. Now the manual says instruction manual. Read carefully before use, but most of it's like in Chinese, and after every line of Chinese there's a line of English, so you can kind of read it, and that's about it. It shows you how to charge it, how to change the chain, and how to put on the batteries, stuff like that. So it is nice. It comes with 2 batteries. They just slide on about like anything else. Got a little button, you can take them off. The brand name, it does say Power Share on this. It's a nice little chainsaw, and it seems to run good. It's got this little safety flap here to protect you, and if you get a bigger stick, so it also raises up like that, goes past. Now it doesn't come with an oiler on it. I would say if you want to oil it, you would take a little light bottle of oil and squirt some oil on it to oil the chain, which I'll probably do that. It does come with a nice little carrying case. So I don't expect a lot out of it, but thought I'd try it out and see. The battery is a 2.0 amp hour, 21 volts, and it is lithium. So we'll take this thing out and try it on some sticks, see what happens. Will it cut something or will it not? Okay, so the first thing I want to do before I try anything is disconnect the battery. And I want to go ahead and put the longer bar on. This is a pretty short bar, so we're just going to try it with the long bar instead of this one. It should be fairly simple, about like most chainsaws are. Take off the little, looks like a 10mm nut. Take off the little plate here. Raise this up, I reckon, like that. Take this off. We'll take the new one and put it on. You do want to make sure when you're putting on, just like any chainsaw chain, get the teeth in the right direction. Otherwise, it ain't going to cut. As soon as you get the chain lined out here. So we need it in this direction. It's pretty much just like a regular chainsaw chain. It's identical, same thing. I don't know how good a quality the chain is, but we're going to see how it cuts. Put it over just like this. You do have the little adjustment right here, and that adjustment you adjust with a Phillips screwdriver. So just like a regular chainsaw would be. Let's put this over right here. Put it on our notch here. Put our cover back into place. It's got a couple of dowels here and here located that you need to make sure you put it back in the right spot. Chain definitely needs to be adjusted. Way too loose. So we will take the adjustment screw and crank it out here till it's a lot more snug than what it is. But yeah, we still have a little bit of play. We don't want it so tight that it gets hot too fast. Have a little bit of a snap back to it. And then we'll tighten our nut on here. Kind of a little T-handle 10mm. Like so. Take our battery on. And we are ready to go. Now that guard, of course, hits the chain. You can see the teeth of the chain making that guard bounce up and down. So I'd say if you run it much, like that, it's going to chew up this guard a little bit here. Doesn't hit the short one so bad, but it does on the longer bar and chain. Let's take it out and try it out. All right, so here we go. We're going to try it out on a few little limbs. I did oil that chain a little bit, so we'll see if it has cut something small first. Actually pretty good. It doesn't have no grippers, so you kind of have to just kind of push it in, hold it in up against this fence here to cut something off. But it does cut really fast. We'll try it on a larger branch right here. It's actually pretty impressive, and I've not bogged it down and stopped it yet. I'm not trying real hard at forcing it, but it seems to cut pretty good. Like that, does a good job. We're going to try it over here on this bigger one. Now this one's pretty dead, but it's a lot bigger. Done a good job cutting that off. Move the camera up here closer so you can see a little better. We'll try to cut this off here. It does have a little safety button here you push before you can pull the trigger. And we'll try it on this bigger part right here. So I'm actually impressed. It cut that actually pretty fast to be such a little saw. It's real handy to clean up some brush and stuff. You know, it's not like you're going to go cut wood, but if you take this camping with you, you could cut campfire wood. You could take this out in your Jeep or your UTV out wherever you're going on the trails, and you could actually cut brush out of your way. So this actually could be pretty darn handy. We'll just have to see how long the battery lasts. And it does, the good part is it does come with two of them. I zoom the camera up here so we can see it better. So very, very good. So with this guard, the way it's made, as soon as your wood hits this part, it actually starts raising it up, and then this part is not hitting the chain like I thought it would, because your wood hits here and starts pushing it up. Cut these in sticks of wood where I can use them on my little fire pit around back. Very cool. So what do you guys think? You be the judge. Is it worth it? I'll post the price here. I'm not sure what it is. Actually a pretty cool little chainsaw. I've not tried any of the other popular brands of these, but I mean, for the price, I don't know that you can beat this. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the link below. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you all on the next one. Right on.